EAS watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland: Calvert, Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, Prince George's, and St. Mary's, and the following counties, in Virginia: Arlington, Clark, Culpeper, Fairfax, Fauquier, King George, Loudoun, Prince William, Rappahannock, Stafford, and Warren, and the following independent cities, in Virginia: Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Manassas Park and Manassas, and Jefferson, West Virginia, and the following: Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland; Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland; Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Carm Island, Maryland; Tidal Potomac from Carm Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia; Eastern Bay, Choptank River, and Pawtuxet River. Remember, a tornado
Beach to Drum Point, Maryland; Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland; Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Carm Island, Maryland.
While severe weather may not be imminent, Eastern Bay, Choptank River, and Pawtuxet River. And listen for
A tornado watch.
warnings. Stay tuned to
The
know
development of severe
commercial radio and television
Have you
outlets
got some detail now?
sources for the latest severe weather information.
A tornado warning has been issued for Baltimore County, effective until 9:42 p.m.
EOM.